For many parents, installing a car seat is confusing and stressful. And beginning tomorrow, there's change coming that will make your child even safer. But if you don't get it right, CBS 2's Jim Williams reports you'll face a fine.
Jose Munoz and his wife Eliza have 3 daughters. The youngest, Diana Jo, is 8 months old. He heard Illinois has a new law aimed at keeping babies like her safer in cars.
I wanted to get more information because I'm a little bit more paranoid when it comes to things like this.
Jessica Choi, a child passenger safety instructor at Lurie Children's Hospital, tells us what the law says now.
Kids have to be in an appropriate child restraint or car seat, just a fancy word for that, until they are 8 years old, and that's it.
But starting at midnight in Illinois,
you can just turn that seat right on backwards. We're going to make sure it's installed properly.
All children 2 years old and younger have to face the rear of the car, though some parents might be reluctant to embrace the change.
A lot of people, they say, I don't want to rear face my kids. Their feet will touch the back of the seat. Their feet will be uncomfortable. What it's really doing is keeping that little neck safe until kids get bigger and stronger necks.
Choi offers this easy-to-remember suggestion.
When we're rear facing, our seat belt or lower anchor belt goes under our kid's rear.
Good to know, Jose Munoz says, though it's hard for him to think about the possibility of his children in a serious car accident.
Because in your mind, you don't want to go to the worst possible thing you could think of, right?
Yes.
And so I think it's sometimes easier to say, we're fine.
Right.
But that's not how life works.
If you are caught violating the new child seat law, you could be slapped with a $75 fine, $200 for the second offense. But more than losing that money is the threat of danger. Auto accidents are the leading cause of death among children in the United States. The CDC says 723 kids 12 years old and younger died in 2016. Officials say in Illinois, 25% of those victims were not strapped in. Live in the newsroom, Jim Williams, CBS 2 News. Erica?
Yeah, so important to follow all these new laws. Thank you, Jim.